Today, we're delving into the realm of invoice management. If you're utilizing AITable to handle your clients and orders, staying on top of those invoices is absolutely crucial. In this video, we'll guide you through automating your invoice management process using AITable and Zapier. You'll discover how to seamlessly integrate Zoho Invoice with your AITable, ensuring that whenever there's a new invoice generated in Zoho Invoice, it automatically uploads into your AITable along with all the relevant information. Let's begin by setting up your data sheet in AITable. In this example, we've already created a table called Invoice Automation, which includes all the necessary invoice details, such as invoice number, email, and total. Next, head over to Zapier to configure an automation workflow. We'll use Zoho Invoice as the trigger, selecting the option for New Invoice in Zoho Invoice to initiate the process. Connect your Zoho Invoice account. Then, set up AITable as the action. If this is your first time using AITable and Zapier, you'll need to input your API token, which you can find in your personal settings in AITable. Once that's done, specify the space and datasheet where you want the invoices to be sent back to in AITable. It's crucial to ensure that the fields are correctly mapped to guarantee seamless data transmission. With everything configured, it's time to put it to the test. Run a quick test to ensure everything is working smoothly. Excellent, the test passed. Now let's go ahead and enable this Zap. From now on, whenever a new invoice is generated, Zapier will automatically send it back to your AITable datasheet. But wait! There's more. You can take it a step further by using AITable's automation feature to automatically send the invoice URL to your client's email. We'll cover the specifics of that in the video description below. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, or if there are any other automation use cases you're interested in, feel free to drop a comment below the video.